YouTube.
Hello YouTube.
This is Daddy and Kyle.
No, it's not. It's Alarm Fan 8 today. And today we've just come back from the car boot sale. We did not find any vacuum cleaners down there at all. We went down 2 car boot sales. But he's come back with this little gem. So this is for the Alarm Fan 8 channel. We picked up a full alarm system here for £20.
We've got the battery, the chow panel.
So go and show them it now then.
There's a chow panel.
We have a control panel.
Yeah, in a battery.
We have a battery.
A capacitor.
A capacitor.
Yeah. I don't know
What else we got?
The sensors.
Sensors. Some alarm wire.
Yeah.
I think it's alarm wire, yeah, looks like it.
This.
I don't know what that is. I think that there wires into the alarm system.
They've got these little sirens.
We got an indoor sounder.
An outdoor sounder.
Yeah, let's show them this one here then.
Why? It's got a screw on it.
Yeah, but we can't see it.
I can't get it open.
Yeah, but we can.
I want to see what's in there.
Well, we'll do that in a minute. And we have a West Country security alarm system, or alarm bell box. So that is the first look video really. It's not a lot to show you.
How do you know what's in the box?
Because it's all screwed in.
Just uncap that and just get a screwdriver now.
Get me a screwdriver then.
I don't know. I don't know where the screwdrivers are.
So there we have it, the full alarm system here.
What I want to sell.
£20. What we're going to do now, we're going to open it up in the bell box and see if we can get the sounder working. So we'll be back in a while.
I want to pick this up too.
Yeah, but not straight away, we're not. So we'll be back in a minute.
Let's take a piece
Well, we've just opened it up. It's got a proper siren in this one. So this is going to be I think this is going to be a bit of a noisy one. And what's this one called?
Indoor. I want to unscrew that.
Get the Phillips then. The Phillips. Well, that one. That's the one.
I don't know what noise that's from.
So that's that one.
No, I know what noise that one makes. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah, it's going to sound like a police siren, isn't it? You know what it's going to sound like. So, very pleased with the purchase.
I'm going to get this working.
£20 for a full system.
Right, I want the...
Apparently the guy said it works, but we'll wait and see. I mean, we'll test everything.
Yeah.
Is that inside the control panel, yeah? So we'll show them inside the control panel.
That's what's
There's lots of wires and stuff.
Oh, sing that's the shy one. Sing that's another.
Get your head out of the way.
Sing that's another shy one. It's got a circuit breaker.
Yeah, it's fairly self-explanatory because you've basically... This wires into there, lot, and it's these are all the different ones then.
Yeah,
so it must have had more than one sensor on it. It looks like it had lots of sensors and stuff on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just have to open it. I took the screw out.
I don't know how to open these guys.
But it should open, mate.
Oh, one of the wires come off.
Yeah, that's alright.
Right.
Well, show me inside that one then.
It's got a wire.
They got a speaker on there, look. So what we'll do then, it'll probably take me maybe a week or so, but we'll have to work out where all these wires go.
No, I want.
And we'll wire it all in.
I want to do it today.
Yeah, but it's going to take a little while to sort out.
I want to only make it work today.
Alright.
I think that battery just goes like in there.
It goes in like that, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I think they go in like that, don't
What
they?
that says?
1997.
This.
So that one's 10 years old, almost 10 years old, that one, or like 9 years old.
You need to point it down. That's
Yeah.
what that says. What the siren.
Is it a kinetic? Kinetic? Kinetic.
The magnetic one goes.
Ow!
What?
Sorry, it's a screw on the back of it.
The kinetic.
So, yeah.
I know what the kinetic one goes like. Woo, woo, woo.
So what we'll do now is we're going to have a little tinker around with this thing for the next couple of days.
Why? I want to get it what today.
Well, we'll have to see. We'll have to test everything separately first.
Yeah. I want to look on YouTube, see what.
So, what do you say now?
What?
Bye for now.
Yeah.
And hopefully we'll do a follow-up video with this one. Maybe testing one each part at a time.
Why? I want to do it today.
Bye for now.